Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82. Today I'm going to show you my tripod. Well, actually, something for my tripod. So what we're going to look at is, well, this is a ProMaster 6600. I've had this since I was in between my first and second deployment, so around tail end of 2002, tail end of 2003. The tail end of 2002, beginning of 2003 was when I got this, and it is a heck of a tripod, literally. Probably one of the best ones I could afford at that time because I used to be really big into still photography, you know, shooting film back before all this digital crap came around. And granted, this tripod itself is still a bulletproof heavy-duty tripod. The shoe mount for it, past couple of years, this thing's been falling apart, and trying to find this piece that fits in the head unit on this has been yeah, a little bit less than easy, to say the least. So I've been looking at different heads, the full 9 yards for this guy, because it is a rather fluid head, fully adjustable, 100%, you know, 180, 360, full 9 yards. It's what I do mostly for my overhead work when I'm at the looking at stuff, tools and whatnot down on the thing. But the company Kingjoy, they got a hold of me and they wanted actually me to do a review on a new head. I just got this in the mail, and this is the Kingjoy VT Victor Tango 1151, or yeah, 1510, Victor Tango dash 1510. And well, the head that I was looking at for this, because I wasn't able to find this, I was looking to spending anywhere $50 to $100, looking for a fluid powered head. Well, not powered, but fluid head. For those of you that know what I'm talking about there. And that's a little bit expensive, but the fact that they got a hold of me and basically looking at replacing what I need replaced anyways, kind of luck of the draw on that one. What it comes with the head, and I haven't even taken it out of the package yet. This is my first time looking at it, to be all honest with you. So this is a first impression. So the whole head unit wrapped up in bubble wrap, and then some warranty and registration instruction card for the head. And now let's take a look at the head, double wrapped. All right, what do we got here? So, oh, that is nice. You can cinch this down for your control. Actually, that tightens up real nice. I'm liking that. Now your lock, pretty nice wide base unit. Held in with a E-clip, which is very nice. It keeps this from falling down and going out of whack when you're trying to put it back into here. So I do like that. It does have a cork coating, or looks like cork, feels like cork, probably is, which is good. And then the unit itself, I'm liking that. Yes, it was free, but frankly, I don't care. That does attenuate for smoothness, I will say. And you can lock it down a couple of different ways here on the side. You can adjust your tension for your tilt. You got another one to adjust the tension for your pan. And you got another one to lock your tilt into place. That is sweet. So we're gonna increase pan tension down here. So you've got plenty of micro fine-tune adjustments on this, and a 1/4-20 there. So what we're gonna do real fast, gonna get this locked down. We're gonna try to It's the one thing about working in front of the toolbox. Channel lock, made in the USA. These are the 442s. And boy, that is in there tight. Let's try. There we go. Maybe. Looks like it's coming. I don't know. Maybe this is locked in a little bit more than I thought. Hold on. Let me, yeah. Okay, so that was on there a heck of a lot better. Well, considering the fact that this is 17 years old. Ugh. And that would be why it actually had ball detents on it originally, and they're still there. I think they're just, yeah, it looks like it was a spring-loaded ball detent, but not quite so much anymore. So, quarter 20, set that guy over there, and hit that. There we go. Tighten down. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Make sure she's going on straight. Oop, a little awkward. There she goes. Lock that down a snug tighter, tighter. All right, that is on. So, that is real smooth. I'm liking that. Let's loosen that guy up there. That's pretty smooth. Now increase pan tension. Decrease pan tension. It's a little easier. That's good. Full 360 is nice. Although, I think I'm gonna have it right there. So that's good. Now go almost full 180 depending on the handle, which you can adjust the handle up and over and get the full 180 out of that. That's perfectly fine. All right, so there's that. Now, does have, excuse me. So, does have centering markings, so you can adjust and you know when you're level with the head or back notched out for the 180. And then again for your pan, you've got, I don't know what type of degrees those are. The other one had bar indicators as well, but these didn't say how many degrees they were either. No doubt that's going to be a spendy thing. So far, I'm liking this. And I do have a spare cell phone holder that it's in the truck that I can put in here. You've got your spring detent ball on there, which is commonplace for a lot of those. And what am I doing here? All right. Oh, backwards, maybe. Oh, yeah, I don't think you guys saw that. That's one thing about trying to show stuff on a really tall tripod. So, actually, I'll show you this way. So, you've got your lock, freeze it up, and it's actually got a little hold back right there, and it pops this out. You go to stick that back on, you don't have to fiddle with it. It starts to go ahead and lock, then it will lock in place. And it's pretty solid. Now, cost on this, it's like $33 and change, so $34. And like I said, the other ones I was looking at was between $50 to $100. And this tripod ran me about $120 back in 2003. Reason I like it is it's heavy, does not shake in the wind, will hold its place. It's been everywhere. It's been portions of the globe, I'll put it to you that way. I would take this along with me on a couple of the deployments. I didn't have a smaller tripod back then. Back then, smaller ones, you were usually looking at something from Wally World, which wouldn't last one trip in a sea bag, or you were looking at spending about $250 on something like Slick or Manfrotto, for those who kind of get the idea of what I'm talking about there. But this will be nice. This is going to work out real good. It's got a good foam grip too, so come wintertime, if I got this baby out there while I'm ice fishing, I don't have to worry about grabbing hold of something cold. I know, soft hands. Oh well. But so yeah, feel free to check this out. I will post one of my affiliate links down below for the Kingjoy VT 1510 Victor Tango 1510. Anybody that's interested. So far, really liking it. We're definitely going to be doing updates on this, guy, as we go along, or if we have any issues, as usual. But first look, so far, so good, smooth, and we'll go from there. Get this out of my face. And so other than that, remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. And those of y'all looking into getting some heavy-duty tripods, ProMaster still makes tripods. They just don't make this model anymore, but they still got a couple of other models that are still up there on the price range. But hey, good sturdy tripod. I think some of y'all have dealt with the cheap ones before. I know I have. Anyways, we'll take care. Later.